Hi! So it is day 3. It's our last full day in Paris. So we are currently on our way to photomat. It's like a photo booth. It's been really popular in Paris, so we're gonna go do that first. But this is an uphill, so we're so out of breath. And our legs are like achy and wobbly going through it. Last day. Smile. And then and then funny, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. That's I missed the first. Dude, what? Dude, what the heck? Oh. Getting our thing painted, our faces drawn, I mean drawn.
Be careful, you are the moon. What is the moon? Round face.
Round face.
The moon. Don't precipitate yourself. You drink too much. Be careful your concentration. You are very, very sincere. You are not hypocrite at all. Very, very sincere. Beautiful girl. She's gonna be married and have a lot of nice children. With a boyfriend. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wait, let me take a picture.
Nice.
I love it. Yeah. Camera buddies. Yay. I'm trying escargot for the first time. Okay. Yo, they had the monorail and we walked all the way up here. In these stairs? Are you kidding me? Crazy. Hi. Hi. So, we just came out of the Shakespeare and Company bookstore. We weren't allowed to take videos or pictures there, so, but Gloria got a cooking book, a cookbook,
baking book.
Oh, baking book. And then I got a Japanese author book. It's really famous, so I got that. And Notre Dame is right in front of us, so we're walking there right now. But obviously because it got caught on fire, a lot of them are like under construction. Guys! We don't know how to pronounce it. Moulin. No, Moulin Rouge is my guess.
I keep saying Mulan.
It's not Milan, it has an I, not A. Thank you.
It's how it's pronounced in the Lady Marmalade song.
Anyways, we're gonna head to a sushi restaurant.
Alright.
We're back home.
Yeah.
We are going to pack and we're gonna head to the airport around like 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Yeah.
So this concludes our vlog. Time to go back home.
Unfortunately.
Back to reality. Alright, bye.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.